Toshiba Air Conditioning is a world-leading provider of innovative air conditioning solutions. Toshiba Air Conditioning will aspire to deliver the most cutting-edge products with superior performance to each and every customer. Toshiba Air Conditioning are proud to introduce the all-new pioneering heat pump cooling system, the Universal Smart X Edge series. The Universal Smart X Edge series is equipped with one of the world's largest capacity DC Inverter twin rotary compressors. This compressor enables the adoption of a high-pressure refrigerant. High efficiency is evident in low-speed operation ranges. It can reduce energy consumption when operated in long, stable conditions. Toshiba Universal Smart X Edge series uses a heat pump technology equipped with a module controller. This optimized system controls an internal inverter pump to adjust water flow volume and pressure according to the required environment. The bypass flow control system successfully reduces wastewater flow. Toshiba Air Conditioning's innovative PWM converter for air conditioning units comes as standard. With the PWM converter, most of the power input can be transformed into sine waves, which improves the power factor of the power source, allowing the device to be more compact, meaning the loss of power is minimized. Our unique X-frame embraces an industry-leading compact design. The unit footprint space required is minimized whilst optimizing the pipe layout. As a result, the installation process is more convenient. Toshiba Universal Smart X Edge series provides a reliable operational solution. In case of a compressor or head unit failure, the all-inverter control backup system provides performance compensation. This system is available in both single and modular systems. Using this method, the system can operate efficiently and defrost simultaneously. Modern building requirements are becoming more diverse. Therefore, the demand for complex air conditioning solutions are increasing. The maximum load capacity of a Toshiba Universal Smart X Edge series unit is 70 horsepower. The module controller can also combine and operate up to 16 units. Coupled with the Edge powerful group control technology, providing flexible control of up to 8 groups of module controllers. Consequently, resulting in a total maximum power output of 8,960 horsepower. The module controller comes equipped with a standard wireless LAN connection, giving building management staff real-time operation status remotely from their Android devices. This helps ensure the optimal operation management throughout the whole lifecycle of the system. Toshiba's Universal Smart X Edge series delivers supreme comfort and advanced energy efficiency, ensuring uninterrupted high capacity only when necessary whilst minimizing running costs.